Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is your new teams is working hard but they are less experienced than you do not complete their task quickly. What would you most likely least likely to do? The correct answer of the question is most likely offer to help others complete their task, observe their work process and provide some tips that might help them. Last likely remind your co-workers of performances expansions and they need to be working harder to complete tasks. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel and the next question. Bye bye.